Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. Just lovely.
I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you.
Me, just love me.
If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function.
Hi guys, welcome back to Mrs. Blux, Life. There's an increase coming. We love increases, don't we? LV had theirs earlier in the year, and now here is Gucci's turn. A lot of things are increasing from what I was told. So I met with my one of my local sales associates told me tomorrow we'll be having an increase. Then the sales associate I made my purchase with, she went over some things, showing me different things, and I tried on everything that I know I liked, and I know an increase was coming for. So the bag that I originally went in the store to get, I left with because I loved how it fit. And one of the items I know is increasing, is new, but I still want to get it down the line. I don't know exactly what the price is going to be, but I do want to get it down the line. And with this item, I've already taken out wallets so we can see if they fit and which wallets fit, so y'all can see. So if y'all did want to purchase this item, you'll know what fits and what doesn't. But I don't want to hold you guys. And I'm going to try to post this before the increase. Like, it is literally 10 o'clock at night. So hopefully, if anyone watches this and does like it, they're able to get it before the increase kicks in. This item, she couldn't tell me for sure in the boutique that it was increasing tomorrow. Just a wide range of things are. But the tote, I don't know, the Giglio, something like that. That tote is going to be $22.50 on June 18th. Currently, it is $19.50. That is one of the totes I just knew I wanted. I tried it on. It's too big for me. I'm short, and y'all know that. It was too big for me. It was just like frumpy, uncomfortable to me. So it may work for others. I've seen plenty ladies unboxing it on some of the luxury pages I'm on Facebook, but it just was not for me. But I still have my eye on a tote, and I'll put that picture. Oh, I'll do it at the end. I'll show y'all the tote, but let me unbox this. I like this side of the bag. Y'all know I love the burgundy. Y'all know I love the burgundy. Ooh, my hand. Girl, my hand been cramping. See, that's that age, honey. It's kicking in, but look. What did it do? Yeah. Let me move the bag. Okay, let me put the bag here. As y'all know, the receipt comes by itself. This one goes in there. And let's see. No, we're not going to do any guesses. Like, I cannot stand increases, but I know they are part of life. But okay, when's the next one gonna be? Because don't hit us next month, don't hit us August. Try to do it in December or like January, you know, like once a year. But I know they're gonna do it again. But here we are. Let's see. And at that store, they take all the extra packaging and wrapping off of it. So I tried on the floor model, and then this one came from the back. So yeah, I was just looking in there. This is a good zipper too, y'all. But this is the small Ophidia camera bag, I think that's what it's called. I think I might be wrong, so I'll put the name at the bottom. And don't mind the back, y'all. That's my luggage. I'm supposed to be packing. Both the suitcases are right there. But back to this. This is a good size, y'all. It is good. Like, looking online, it kind of confused you. This is a good size. This is a good size. So whole 360. That's the bottom. Yeah, and it's just piped in leather, an adjustable leather strap, and that's it. Oh goodness. Okay, an adjustable leather strap. Okay, so this is the bag. It is the Ophidia line, but it's the new Ophidia line. The hardware is like a champagne gold, if y'all can see that. It's a champagne gold all around the zipper area. It's a champagne gold. It's not that dark gold. It's a mix between gold and silver. Now, let's take out, oh, y'all probably can see it here. Yeah. So that's very nice, because sometimes some people wear silver, some people wear gold, and they're just like, I don't want to wear that bag because of this, that, or the other. That's a good thing. I'm going to take the inside packaging out. Oops. Oh, goodness. Because the interior is different also. Oh, goodness. Okay. Y'all know all these little booklets are in here. All the little booklets are in there. And yeah, all the booklets are in there. And so that's the interior. If you can see, there's one card slot back there, and it's green. The interior is green. Yes, I thought that was so cool. And it's like a fabric. It's like a thick fabric liner. You know, if you have any Gucci, they have that beige inside. This one is green. Okay, so this is the wallet that I am carrying right now. Let's see how it fits. Oh, bam. It's right on in there. Right on in there. Still has room for your telephone, maybe even your camera if you needed to put a camera in here, your keys and everything. It has a lot of room. Let's see how many things can fit in here. This is the key pouch small. Let's put that one in there. So that's 2 things so far. Let me see. And then this is the Unbox business card holder. Let's see, I'll probably put it behind here. Bam. Still have room. Still have room. So I don't have anything else small except for this, but I don't think this is gonna fit in here. I don't know. Let me see. I don't want to sit there and say it. No, it's gonna be too tight, y'all. It's too tight, so it's not gonna fit. But that's everything in there. Zipped up. Bam. Bam. That is good. That is good. This is great for travel. Y'all know, for me, that's perfect. Moms on the go, sporting. I don't know about sporting events in certain venues or concerts. I don't know, because I know it's too big and it's not see-through. But travel wise, it's perfect. Travel wise, it's perfect. It's just a good bag. This came out, I think, like 2 weeks ago, or maybe 3 weeks ago. Maybe 3 weeks ago. But perfect. Perfect. Okay, let me take this stuff out. And then, okay, so I'm gonna leave the business card holder in there, and I'm gonna put this one in there. Perfect. Look at that. Both of them are in there. Perfect. And while that's in there, I'm gonna put the pouch. Oh. Bam, y'all. All of those fit. All 3 of those fit. Y'all, this is good. This is good. Oh, about to tell my dad I'm strong. But that is perfect. Okay. Oh, I need to fix that on there too. Okay. And now this is on the last strap. Let me see. I'm gonna push back so y'all can see. Let me fix my stuff up. That is that. The last hole. It has 1, 2, 3, 6 holes. And that's that. Perfect. And it's light. It's not heavy. It's light. So, what do y'all think? They did good with that. Somebody in the boardroom is listening. This has been needed for a while. This is perfect. Perfect. So, remember, I had all this in here. Plus, it looks like I could slide my phone in here too. So, I don't have a case or nothing in here. The only thing I have is this. It's a light, what you call it? A flashlight. So let's see. It fit? What a fit in there. So that's what a flashlight in there. I know that's the only thing I could grab, y'all. It's in where to fit, but I would have to maneuver the things in here, but it fits. So that's what fits in this beauty. And let me take all this out. I have one more wallet that I want to try. I don't think it's gonna fit, but just so y'all can know. So if you do look to go and purchase it, will a full-size wallet compared to the Sarah fit? I don't think so. No. That's a full size trying to get in. It's a no. It's a no. So it's more of a compact wallet. Fit perfectly. Can put a good amount up in here. Look, I'm gonna put, ooh, let me take this off. I'm gonna put the my camera in here. I know I need to be using it for y'all, but I'm gonna see if it fits up in here. It's the downloading for me. It's like, oh, probably should have got the DJ something it's called, but okay. Perfect for travel. Look at that. The camera's in there. Look, while the camera's in there, let's see if we could put our wallet in there. If we were just out and our wallet was right here. Move the camera up a little. There. Bam. We got our wallet in there. We got our camera in there. And let's see. Bam. Yep. So this is good, y'all. I know y'all gonna be like, she didn't say this is good. Yes, it's good. It is good. It is good. So perfect. So let me put all this goodness back in here. All this back in here because that is gonna bother me to not have it in here right. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. I'm glad to add this one to my collection. I have just been Gucciing it out. But I like this. I like the simpleness of this. Oh, that's so light. The simpleness of this, the efficiency of putting so many items in here, and travel friendly. Very much travel friendly. You can zip it so you don't have to worry about anything falling out, anyone getting in. unless they unzipping it and you ain't paying attention. There's no outside pockets though. I can't tell y'all that. There's no outside pockets. So everything is interior. Zip up and go. I think this is perfect. I think this is perfect. So yeah, that's what I got, y'all. That's what I got. So hello, new edition. Hello, new edition. And I love the hardware, y'all. That soft gold or whatever they call it is so nice. It is so nice. Look, hopefully the light doesn't take it away. It's soft gold. It's not a strong gold, not a yellow gold. It's just soft gold. Yeah. But it's nice. It is nice. So, okay. Thank you guys. Oh, look at that, fell over. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it. It's free. I tell you that every time. And comment down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for watching. See you later. Peace.
I think I lie for you. I think I